Hi there, how are you? It is Simon here with a lesson that we're actually going to cut into a few different sections. Today is going to be the song lesson, and that is going to be sort of just going to run through the chords and explain what's going on here in Jealous Guy by John Lennon. And in other videos, we're going to have a bit of a chat about what's happening there with the sort of lead over the top there. This is a great song to kind of follow the chords in, because there are a few chords which are kind of outside of the key. So that is a really cool way, and as you can hear, it sounds pretty cool when you switch into a note that you're not really expecting that's kind of out of the key. And the third thing we're going to do is just sort of experiment with, you know, picking a song that's pretty well known and kind of changing it up to make it sound a bit more like you want to sound it like. Because I guess in this sort of song, like, it's pretty well known, but you know, you don't really hear the then E minor, you know, all that sort of stuff. All right, so let's get straight into it right now. All right, so thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm sorry there's a very long preamble at the beginning, but I just wanted to explain exactly what we're going to do with this. If you're able to subscribe, click the bell and click the button, then click the bell for notifications of new lessons. There are 2 every single week. All right, let's start off now. So we've got how I kind of started it, and I guess I play this with the band I play with, Soul Messengers, and what we do: G, E minor, D, D7, and then E minor. Then you could stay there, but I actually you could play an E minor 6. That's what I think is on the record, or on the John Lennon record. But for some reason we play A with a C sharp bass, because it just allows you to run into that chord, and it's a bit of a surprise because we're in the key of G major. So you get that E minor, D, D7, E minor. Cool, huh? D. And then E minor, G. That's a C-shaped bar chord, you didn't have to do that. Do that. And then C, C major. Okay? So that verse is G, E minor, D, D7, E minor, A with a C sharp bass, or E minor 6, back to D, then E minor, up we go, brain stopped, sorry. G, C. Chorus is G, F, C. G, F, B flat. No, how good. Now, then it goes to a D, but what I like to do is put a D with an F sharp bass. So basically your first finger flat here at the 7th fret, third finger, yeah? And then E minor. D. Now, this doesn't really even happen in the song. I don't know where we came up with this from. I'm playing a B flat add 9, yeah? C add 9, and then a G. Yeah? So, you know, you get that, I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that made you cry. B flat, 3, 4, and then D with an F sharp bass. G, E minor, D, weird bit. G. I'm just a jealous guy, right? Okay, so that is basically the run of the chords, and in the next lesson we will talk about what you can do in terms of the sort of soloing over this sort of thing, and the things I'm going to make a few different things available from this lesson. I'm going to make the backing track available of just the rhythm guitar, and so then you can download it from my website. That will be at www.simonmorell.com. I'll put a link in the description, and you can download it to noodle over to your heart's content, or play along with. I guess it's just an unusual sort of arrangement. So, but the chords are right, so you can play in any style you like. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you'd like the chart, just send me a note, simonmorell.com/free-chart. If you're able to support the channel, you can do that from $3 per month at patreon.com/Simon Morell. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.